Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Kling AI video generator. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to klingai.com, and from here just simply click on sign in over here and just simply sign in into an account, or you can just simply sign up if you don't have an account over here. Now guys, once you are signed in, just simply go ahead and click on over here AI videos on the left side corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go to text to video. So guys, from here, you can have a customized prompt, so you can do whatever prompt you like, and down below you should have multiple hints. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, and as you can see, the prompt will be astronauts built bases on the surface of the moon. So now if we scroll down, we should be able to change the creativity and the relevance, so it will be depending on you. So I'm gonna go for the middle, so it will be balanced, and you will have the standard mode over here, which is for faster creation, or you can go for professional mode, but this is from a premium user. You have to upgrade your account to premium to access this one. And now down below you will have an option for the length. You can go for 5 or 10, and you can have the aspect ratio as well. So let's say I'm gonna go for 1 by 1, and you can choose how many number of generation that you like. And now from here, this will be depending on you. And if we scroll down a little bit further, we will have an option here, camera movement. So from here, you will have an option if it's horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, tilt. So it will be depending on you. And as you can see, when you select the other camera movement, you can customize it over here down below. So I'm gonna simply go for camera movement, and now you can add a negative prompt as well, so this will be optional. And now once you have provided the necessary information about your video, you can just simply click on generate over here, and after that just simply wait for it to load up, guys, and let the Kling AI do the work for you. So guys, once the video is done, you should be able to see the download button over here, or the download button will look something like this, and you should be able to download it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.